In most modern cyber attacks, adversaries repeatedly strike victims until their goals are achieved. Adversaries constantly change their techniques to avoid detection and maintain access to compromised systems. Here is an example of how traditional attacks have changed. An employee receives an email message from someone pretending to be a vendor of their company. The employee opens the attachment and clicks the file inside it. No visible changes appear on the screen, but in the background, a downloader was created and a run key was added to the registry. This registry modification allows the downloader to automatically launch at startup. With persistent access to the system, the downloader can then start to download and install ransomware that encrypts important documents. Endpoint protection products, particularly those that use high-fidelity machine learning and other advanced techniques, can detect such threats. However, the downloader will likely keep retrieving ransomware files from the adversary's server. Endpoint protection products alone may not be enough to combat this. What companies need is a blend of technologies that stop email threats in the cloud, protect devices from malicious files, and correlate data to find hidden threats. Trend Micro Worry-Free XDR combines proven email and endpoint security solutions with cross-product detection and response capabilities to identify hidden threats through 3 powerful features. How can Worry-Free XDR protect you against attacks? Using threat expert rules, Worry-Free XDR identifies other potential threats that are related to malware detections. You can find these objects in the Noteworthy Events list. The console also shows a detailed summary of each suspicious event and an infection chain that explains how the event progressed. The infection chain highlights the potential threats that Worry-Free XDR has identified. This email message, compressed file, and executable file are all linked to the main detection. Worry-Free XDR automatically correlates email and endpoint data. In the same example, the attack vector is email, so the infection chain highlights the message that triggered the event. In addition, the automated sweeping feature uncovers critical information such as other users that received the same trigger message. Lastly, when sample submission is enabled, suspicious files are sent to the cloud sandbox and automatically analyzed. Worry-Free XDR also enables you to mitigate issues more effectively. The console provides several recommended actions that you can follow to quickly block the compressed file and download a file. Since the attack vector is email, you can also immediately quarantine or delete this spoofed message for all recipients to prevent further infection. As for objects tagged as malicious by the Cloud Sandbox, those are automatically blocked and added to this list. By integrating all of these features in a single console, Worry-Free XDR offers you comprehensive protection and visibility with less required effort. We invite you to go beyond endpoint and learn more about how cross-layer detection and response can benefit your organization. Try Worry-Free XDR today.